Hello and happy second day of school. I am so excited to get to know and work with and teach you all this year that it is actually the whole point of our first unit, which is a mini unit and a great way to get an A. Building relationships is key to life in business, in finance, in finding joy. And so we're going to start the semester by collaborating virtually on creating a classroom community. With that being said, this assessment will teach you how to develop and improve online interpersonal skills, display online communication skills, display creativity and authenticity, as well as get to know each other. So I think that this should be a great first project. This is two parts. The first part is you are going to find your name or find the slide with your name on it and add at least 3 school appropriate tidbits about yourself. You can use pictures, you can use words, you can add a video, whatever you would like, but let us know who you are. Please leave the slides in the order that they are in. If you cannot find your name on a slide, at the bottom of the slideshow, there are some slides without any names in them. Please add your name to that. Also, a tidbit about me, I am dyslexic. So I want to say I am so sorry if I spelt your name incorrectly. Please change it. If you'd rather have a nickname on there, please change it. Make sure the only slide that you are doing anything to is your slide, of course. And if you have any questions, feel free to Schoology message or email me. Additionally, I'll be on the Google Meet, so you can just pop back onto the Google Meet during class time, just during our class time, and ask me any questions from there. So this project has 2 parts. One is creating your own slide, and the other one is to complete that Google form that I shared with you the first day of school. A bunch of you have already done this, so yay, you've already got that done. But you're going to use class time today to make your slide. Again, only making adjustments to your slide, making sure you add at least 3 school appropriate tidbits about yourself, and then completing the Google form. And again, many of you have already gotten this done. On the next 2 slides, I added some examples. This is a screenshot, but this is a link to a whole slideshow about me if you'd like to learn more about me. So you could make a traditional Google slide, or you can have fun with it and do something different, like the virtual classroom I posted, or make a virtual locker, whatever you would like to do. Just make sure you're also explaining things if it's hard to tell. So like at the bottom of this slide, I actually wrote that you can do it because I believe it's important to have a growth mindset. I love basketball. Both my girls play and I've coached them for years. And I also love being outside with my family. So that is the reason I picked these ones. The rest of the slides are you guys's. Again, please only write in your slide. Please share at least 3 things. Have fun with this. If you need to do a project like this for another class, feel free to use it. I am really excited to help you. If you have any questions during class time, you can go to our Google Meet. I'll be on it. Otherwise, you are welcome to Schoology message or email me. Our first summative. Let's get an A. Have a wonderful day. Bye.